Dear viewer, the Irish Aviation Authority announced last week that as of the 14th of February 2026, it would establish a no-drone fly zone over Cork City and its greater metropolitan area. This zone stretches from Dunkettle in the east, out to the far side of Bishopstown in the west, and from Cork Airport in the south, out to Dublin Hill in the north. All drone activity in this new zone will be prohibited unless approved by air traffic control. Permission for drone flights within this zone can be obtained by written request, sent in at least 2 days in advance using a UF101 application form. However, in my many years of flying, any requests made using this method have always been refused, as this application process only applies the users in the specific category, usually professional drone services, and not to hobbyists in the open category. The reasons for this change in airspace is to allow for the introduction of beyond visual line of sight drones, such as those used by the drone delivery company Manna. Whilst the proposition of drone deliveries in Cork may sound exciting to some, it may be worthwhile to look at the experiences of communities in Dublin 15, where Manna currently operate. Hundreds of noise complaints have been made, with the drones being compared to like a lawnmower flying over your house. These automated drones use specific corridors to transition between the hub and various residential areas, and those living near the hub may experience 70 to 100 overflights of their homes each day. No fly requests by homeowners to Manna have been ignored, and drones still overfly the properties who have raised objections. Personally, I object to the fact that I am being shut out of an airspace I have used weekly for years, not for safety grounds, but to pamper to bigger commercial interests. Sadly, it will be difficult for me, if not impossible, to continue bringing you features and updates from inside this zone going forward. I will be lodging my objection on the online public consultation form. The public consultation is open until the 14th of March, 2026. If you have concerns or objections, please use the link to voice your opinion. I will enclose a link to the online consultation form in the comment section below. Thank you for your understanding, Drone Hawk.